I have some liquid soap here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to smear it all over the bottom of my mirror, and then I'm going to do some writing. Are you ready? Let's try it. Oh, that hasn't worked very well. Is that going to work? I'd use shaving foam if I had some, but I don't have any. Right, let's try again. Oh, that's not working very well, is it? Let me just give that a wipe and try again. I wonder if it would be better with bar soap. I'm going to go and find some. Right, let's try again. I've got a bar of soap. Let's lather it up in my hands. How's that looking? Oh, it's bubbling up nicely. Yes, this might work. It keeps drying off, that's the trouble. I think I could do better. Okay, if at first you don't succeed, try and try again. I've just found some conditioner in my bathroom, and I'm going to have a go and see if this conditioner works better for smeary writing. Let's see if that's going to stay smeary for us. Looks quite smeary to me. I can't see the mirror underneath, can you? Right, let's have a little try.